One of the things we have a lot of in Colorado is cedar siding. Those beautiful mountain homes, they tend to have beautiful cedar siding. Only problem is that cedar has gotten old, it is falling apart, it is cracking, cupping, warping, not protecting the home from moisture anymore. What are the benefits of replacing that cedar with an updated, durable product like James Hardie? With James Hardie, you're going to get a product that is going to be durable in protecting the home, not just from elements like wind, rain, snow, but from natural disasters like fire. Maintenance. That's another benefit. Fiber cement requires very little maintenance. Cedar is a high maintenance product. It's beautiful, but it's expensive, requires high maintenance. Consistently maintaining it means staining it year after year or applying a solid stain every 6, 7, 8 years. With James Hardie, we have the ability to do something really special. There's a product called Wood Tone. With Wood Tone, you're gonna get all the benefits and durability of James Hardie. You can get something that looks like stained wood. So it is a multi-tone paint system that actually has a really long, durable warranty product. It's also going to last for a long time. With Wood Tone, you're gonna be able to have James Hardie, all the durability of James Hardie, but it's going to look like stained wood. It's a perfect product to put on your home that has old cedar. It's gonna give you that cedar look, that warm feel, but the durability of James Hardie.